Hello friends, welcome to SB Market Study, where market study is made easy. In previous video, we had seen about how to use investing.com for our study purpose, and I had promised you to help you to make portfolio using import option through nseindia.com. So we will see that today in this video. Let us start. Here there is one option of plus, as you see. We will click on that and we will give a name to our portfolio. Let us say we are creating a portfolio for Nifty 50. Let us create it. It will immediately get created. Now we will go to nseindia.com. From there we will select this View All Indices. Okay, and there we will see all the details about the indices. Okay, all different indices, sectoral index, as we saw in the earlier video. Now we will click on Nifty 50. Okay, we get all the stocks listed in Nifty 50. It is top 50 stocks that are listed on NSE. NSE we are selecting because it has quite a good liquidity. Here if you see, there is a download option. We will select on download option and our Excel sheet will get downloaded. As you see, our Excel file is downloaded. We will see in the download options. Okay, our Excel sheet is downloaded. Okay, now we will go to investingindia.com and there is a import portfolio option. We will select import portfolio option and we will browse. Okay, and we will select the latest downloaded Excel sheet. And here we have to select Nifty 50. We have given a name to our portfolio, right? Select that and click on the next button. And you get this entire Excel sheet downloaded here. What we have to do? We have to select all unwanted rows and we have to delete them. Okay, we will delete them and we will go to next option. And when we select next option, all the data gets validated. Here we have to select each and every stock and then select NSE stocks. Okay, and when we go to stocks, see equity NSE, we have to select those stocks. We have to select one by one, though it is little time consuming, but it is better than entering one by one. Okay, we will complete all the selection of all the stocks. Here in Titan, if you see, our Indian flag is not seen, so we have to go on all countries, select India. There you will find our Indian stocks and then select. Okay, so it will become easily selected. Now we will finish off all the selection of the stocks and then we will continue with our import. Hope you are enjoying this shortcut. We are coming up with very easy to learn videos. Now we have to select this symbol. All the symbols will get selected and from there we have to select on import portfolio. It would take some 1 or 2 minutes to get imported and then we can see our stocks in our investing.com. Now let us see if our portfolio has been imported. Yeah, see, all the 50 stocks have come into our portfolio. Now let us click on the chart. When we click on this expand button, we get our charts. Now we have all the list of 50 stocks at our investing portfolio and we can we are ready to analyze each and every stock. Now let us try making one more portfolio so that you are clear with the steps properly. Let us give a name as Bank Nifty. Okay, let us create it. Once it gets created, let us go to equity NSEindia.com. From there we will go to view all indices. From there we will select Nifty Bank. We get all the stocks which are listed in Nifty Bank. We will download. Once it gets downloaded, we will go to investingindia.com. From there we will click on import portfolio. We will browse and we will select the Excel sheet from our download area, and here we will select our portfolio name Bank Nifty and click on next. Once it gets validated, same page comes. We have to select all the unwanted rows and we have to delete them. Once we delete all those rows, we will click on next button. Now we have to select each and every stock and select our NSE. As I told, NSE has a greater liquidity, so we choose to trade in NSE. See here, there are in SBI India there are two, ETF and equity. So we will be selecting equity. Now all the stocks, once we select, we have to make sure that all are in equity NSE. Okay, we have to select that, and then once we finish off with selecting all the stocks, see here PNB is showing some other country stock will win. So we have to select Indian flag equity NSE. And the last one, once we finish off, you can click on this and see if there are any unvalidated rows are left. As there are no unvalidated rows are left, we will go back and select on this symbol and we will click on import portfolio. Once we select import, it will take few seconds. As you saw in Nifty 50, it will get added in few seconds. Just see, all the stocks have been loaded in our portfolio. So hope you like this video. We will bring similar videos which would make your life easy in stock market study. And hope if you have liked this video, please do like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more updates. And one more thing, we have a Telegram channel which is I mentioned in the description box. You can join the Telegram channel for more free learning. Thank you so much, friends.